This is part 2 of the recording, so I'm going to pick up on the slide that I ended with at the other one. These are the times for the interims with the accommodated times, and these are the accommodated times approximately for the classrooms. Following are some troubleshooting slides with links. If you're trying to figure out how to print your tickets for classrooms, if you'll click this link, it'll take you step by step through that. If you need to learn how to sign out without submitting the test, you can click on this and it gives you the document. There's also one in your folder. These are a troubleshooting document that you might want to print off and have handy just in case, but it does show you a few things like, remember, if they are not on ACT Aspire on this one right here, then it is the wrong one. So always check and make sure if they can't get their username and password to work, make sure that they are on ACT Aspire in the top center. If it says that, then make sure that their username and password is entered correctly. If it still doesn't work, you can make note of the serial number of that particular computer because it's probably a computer error. If you need to type in the username and the password just to ensure that they have typed it in right, that is fine to do. Just do not hit enter. Let the child hit enter, and that way they will be the only one in with access to their test. If the screen does not say ACT Aspire, you can come in down here and choose a different customer and go to that screen that allows you to go to the Aspire one. These are some things that sometimes happens to Chromebooks, reverse, all of those kinds of things, reading the letters out loud, large cursor, any of those kinds of things, so that will help you to know how to change those. If for some reason a student gets kicked out and you receive a pop-up that says Test Administrator, click here, skip upload, it is fine to go ahead and hit skip upload. That will still preserve everything they have, and if I walk into your room I will do the same thing, so that will take care of that. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. I will be more than happy to give that to you. Once you have completed both of these parts, then if you will come by my office and sign that you have completed your testing information, and we'll sign the security document and get it all ready for you to test. Thank you so much.